Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a new app on a Base44. All you need to do is log in, and here just click on create a new app, and on this page all you need to do is enter a prompt, or you can choose from one of these ideas and categories. I'll just put in this prompt. Okay, where basically I'm going to be asking them to create a simple task manager app that lets us add tasks, mark them as complete, and then keep track of our to-do list. And these are some of the features I've asked it to go ahead and do for me. A very simple prompt, and all you need to do is press on that icon, and Base 44 will literally start to begin creating your app for you. As you can see right now, it is defining the task data structure and properties for us. Let's give it some time while it creates this app. Okay, that actually took just about a minute. And we have our simple app. It's a task manager app. Okay, they called it Task Flow. They even created a profile picture for it. And it is fully functional, I must say. So they have set up priorities for this. As you can see, some are high, some are medium, others are low, and these ones are done. All you need to do is toggle this, and it would be marked as done, as you can see. And now we only have 2 active ones left. You can see which ones are active. And if I toggle this one, it should be gone. We only have 1 active, and the number of completed tasks have actually increased. 5 tasks in total. There we go. It actually works. And if you want a visual edit, you can go ahead and, give more prompts, ask it to change things up. If you would like to add more features, okay, you can discuss with it if you want to change anything. But it's really that easy. Just one prompt, and it created this app. And that is how you create a new app in Base 44.